Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to do two different headbands, a French braid headband and a Dutch lace braid headband. So let's get started. First we are going to do the French braid headband. How we start this is we start by parting her hair to like right where her ear is. And then we're just going to flip everything over to the side while we just work with this part right here. So we're just going to take a small section and we're going to split it into 3 sections, and we're going to do 1 stitch of a regular braid. So we're just going to do one over the middle and then the other one over the middle. Now we're just going to do like a regular French braid. We're going to add in hair to this piece and we're going to cross it over the middle, and we're going to add in hair from this over here. Now the reason I made a part down here was so I only picked up hair from this side. So I don't want to pick up too much hair and then it's going to look weird. Just want it to look really cute. And you also want to make your braid tighter so that it's more defined. So we're just going to keep doing this. We're going to just do a small French braid, I guess you could call it. And when you're done with it, you can also loosen it up if you don't like the really tight look. So I'm almost done here. So I'm just going to keep going. Now I really like this hairstyle. Like I've done this hairstyle so many different times. I really like it, so. So yeah, and the other headband I'm also going to show you, I have done it myself. So both of these, you can be more than capable of doing them on yourself. Because this one's just a French braid. And the Dutch lace braid isn't that complicated either. So I'm almost done here. I'm getting to my last pieces of hair. And now I'm going to show you how to end this. So, probably one more time. So, here we go. It's my last hair. Okay. Now you can do it a couple of different ways. You can braid it all the way down and just leave it hanging. Or you can braid it until it gets like right behind your ear and then put like an elastic in and just leave it there behind your ear, which I'm probably gonna do. So then you just take an elastic and you just wrap it around like so. And you just tuck it, and then you just flip all your hair. And if it is bothering you, you can easily take some bobby pins and like bobby pin it back. And you can go back if you don't like the, this isn't very tight, but you can easily like loosen it up, make it look really cool. Now I think this is really cool and really easy. You just tuck it and then just flip your hair over. Now I'm gonna do a second headband for you guys. So I'm just going to take this out. Now the second one is a little bit harder. Well, not very much if you know how to Dutch braid, which I will show you how you Dutch braid. So we're kind of going to do the same thing. We're just going to like part. It doesn't have to be perfect either. Forgot to mention that. It doesn't have to be a perfect part, just as long as you kind of have a basic of what hair you're using. So we're going to take a section of hair. Now with a regular braid, you go over the middle. Now with a Dutch braid, you go under the middle. So instead of going over the middle, you go under the middle. So you just go under the middle like that instead of going over. And you're just going to add in hair to the front. This is what makes it a lace braid. You're just adding hair to one side. And then once again, remember no adding in hair on this side. So we're just going to take this. Now it's okay if it's like tight when you start, because you can easily loosen it up when you're done, just like we did with the French braid. So I know that it's going to look a little weird at first, but you'll be fine. So we're just going to keep doing this. Now, remember only adding in hair to the one side. Now the Dutch braid's a little different from a regular braid because it stands out more, like it stands out in the hair, which looks pretty cool, but whatever your preference is, whether you like a regular braid or a Dutch braid. I chose a Dutch braid because it looks more defined, but you can do this with a regular braid too, just adding in hair on one side. So we're almost done here. Now I didn't use like all the hair here, I just wanted to make sure I had plenty of hair just in case I needed it. So since I added in, I'm just going to braid down again. And braid it until it's like right behind your ear. And I'm just going to put an elastic in it. So there we are. We're just gonna loosen the top part of it so it kind of looks like the same like the bottom part. Now another option I forgot to mention was you could braid down a little farther and then take like a small section from the back and just like push it under and just tie it there and just put all your hair through. Just like that, if you prefer that instead of just sticking it behind your ear. That's totally up to you though. So this is our two headbands. The French braid headband was one, and this is the Dutch braid headband, well, the Dutch lace braid headband. So I hope you all have an awesome day, and I will see you all next time.